What's up guys? So today we have the SABBAT E12 ULTRA. This particular model E12 ULTRA is the evolution of E12 with a balanced signature and an access base. As of the box, provides information such as V5.0, Qualcomm Bluetooth, aptX audio decoding, CVC 8.0 speech noise reduction, single 6+ hours battery life. As per back of the box, model SABBAT E12 ULTRA, power input interface Type-C, and supported by Android and iOS product. So let's not further ado and go to the unboxing. Guys, while I was unboxing this is why the SABBAT E12 ULTRA gives you that premium feeling. As you can see, unboxing this, I saw this glossy finish of the SABBAT logo, which is actually a very nice touch, including this. And not to further ado, let's go to the user guide. So in the user guide you can find the colors available. So the one that I got was copper, and then the manual of how to set it up, as well as here in camouflage. It's actually a lot of varieties of color, beautiful colors. So let's go on to the real beast. Here it is. So guys, you can see I have the gold and copper edition here. It's very beautiful, very glossy, nicely done, and there's a total of 7 tips available, including one in the earbuds and the charging. So let's unbox the charging case. Okay guys, as this is the charging case, very nice, written SABBAT there, USB Type-C, and there's the indicator lights on there, and there is a small indicator in the bottom of the case to show it's a wireless charging. And okay, this is one bad thing about this case guys, it's extremely flimsy, as you can hear. So yeah, that is, wow, okay, that is one bad thing that I can find so far. And yeah, it's extremely fingerprint magnet. It just catches your fingerprint, the whole box, and it's made out of plastic. Alright, there's written the details about the earbuds in it, you can see. And yeah, let's put this aside. Oh, okay, there's a box, let's open it. Okay, there's a bag, nicely done, SABBAT. And of course the charging cable, USB Type-C. Material is okay. So guys, we have the gold and copper version, and it comes with physical button on either side. If you press once on the right side or the left side, you'll pause or play music. If you tap twice on the right, you'll go forward. If you tap twice on the left, you go backward. If you tap 3 times on the right, you volume up, 3 times on the left, volume down, which is very useful. You don't find volume control on earbuds nowadays very easily, and mostly for the cost of this is only 220 ringgit, which I bought, and certainly for that price it's very hard to get. And of course, if you hold it 2 seconds of the physical button clicked, you'll get Siri up, and as well as if you do it 4 seconds, you'll turn off the earbuds themselves. And in terms of battery life, it comes with 6 hours plus battery life, and I've used so far about 6 hours with low volume. I'm not really a high volume listener, and it's very useful. It really lasts, and including with the case you can get about roughly 30 hours on it, and it's very nice. As here's the physical button, both side, so it's very easy to pair. As you can see, there's an indicator light on the earbuds themselves, which is very useful. So guys, the earbuds comes with IPX5, water resistance and sweat resistance, but it cannot be submerged in water. In terms of sound quality, you guys can listen now. So in terms of sound quality, guys, this is on the bass side. So who's ever a bass head like me, I would recommend this to y'all. It's very good. It's very bass boost and all that. You can do that without cracking. It's very nice. But in terms of people who don't like bass, I wouldn't recommend this to y'all because it's a bit solid bass. It hits your head after some times, but it's good. It's a good product. In terms of high and vocal, it's still good. Even if you go up to max volume, the bass does not kill the vocal. It still can stand up for it. It's very good. And the 7 types of ear tips gives you different types of feel in music. Some gives you treble, some gives you vocal, some gives you bass. So you guys have to try all 7 of them and see which fits you perfectly. And in terms, it has a CVC 8.0, so calls are perfect, crystal clear. And yeah, we are at the end of the video. So I would highly recommend this. Is in terms of unboxing quality and all that, it's really useful, and I hope you guys will give me a thumbs up, likes, and comment. Maybe other products I could do a review about it. Thanks guys, thanks for your support. Peace out.